Alrighty then, welcome back to another episode of Killing Things. I know you guys all like that. I know you guys all like killing things because you're all sick in the head. Of course, I'm sick in the head too, since I'm the one doing the killing. But it doesn't matter. They're not human. They're all demons, so it doesn't count. So it's okay. Kill demons. Kill all the demons in the world. Alrighty then, we're gonna go ahead and start this. Alright. Load. Level 6. Let's do this. Okay, this is going to be a scary level, I can already tell. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh! You dead? Okay, good. Better be dead. Ooh, what was that? Ah! You sneaky little bastard! You sneaky little bastard there, sir! That little bastard scared the hell out of me, you know. And I have a horrible Irish accent. I always check those. I always check those doors. Sometimes there's secrets behind those. Ooh. Anything behind me over there? Ooh, what's over there? That guy. Did I see something? Oh, yeah! I mean, in this game, you gotta watch your back all the time, because if you don't, you'll die! Well, oh! Oh man, I really hate secrets like, oh! Where's it at? I can see it. I can see it from over here. Where's it at? I can see the eyes right there. They're right there. I missed. Where are you? Come back over here. I love you. I love you. See? Tough love, buddy. Tough love. Alright. That wasn't too bad, I guess. All I gotta do is just run the hell out of the room like a little girl and then wait for them all to come to you. That's pretty much what I gotta do. Alrighty then. Now where to? Over here. I'm getting better at that, but it's good. Let's suck or kill. Whee! Did you guys hear that? I heard that. That sounded like someone just got an ouchie. Give me all the health. Oh! 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 Ow! Ow! Where are you? Someone down here? I know there is someone down here. I know there is. You know, there's probably a secret down there, but I'm probably gonna die finding it. Ooh! You broke my ornament! You broke my lawn ornament! Look at that, man! You just broke it, man! That thing cost me 50 bucks! Okay. Jesus! Ow! Where is he? There you are. Okay, there we go. Oh! Anybody else in there? Just shut up. Alright. Oh. What What the hell was that? Sometimes I just press buttons on accident and things like that happen, but I gotta watch out for that. But that's okay. I can't open that. That's a yellow door, you douche. You douche. Health? Oh, thank God for that. What's up here? You know what? The hell with this. I'm getting my freaking minigun out. I don't have a yellow key. What am I doing? You little guys up there, you think you guys got the high ground? You're gonna kill me? No, you're not! Anybody else still in there? No? Good. What was that? Oh! Alright! Oh my God. Ooh, a thingy.
Fuck yourself!
I agree. How do I switch between modes is what I want to know. I'm not using that, I'll die. I will so die. I might get one of them in there just to show you guys the power of one of those power-ups. Okay, never mind. Alright, let's get out of this thing. I still don't have a yellow key. What am I doing? Get out of there. Okay, come on. We gotta speed this up a little bit, man. I only got so much time to make these videos. Stupid. Okay. There's still someone alive in there? There is somebody alive in there. Let's go to the blue door. And die. What'd you get, huh? Oh! Any more in there? Okay, good. Alrighty then. Alright. What's this? I'm not doing that again. What is that? That's gotta be a secret. It is a secret, but I can't open it up yet. Because the Doom Gods do not want me to open it up yet. I opened him up though. That was pretty nice. Alrighty then. Minigun. I don't care. I'm getting a minigun. I don't care. I don't care. What's that? Ooh, it's a map. To all the secrets and stuff. I love secrets, guys. Hey guys, I got a secret. I'm not gay. Okay. I really am. I'm not gay. Seriously, that was. Never mind. Who cares? God. I heard that. I heard that. I know you guys are all back there waiting to jump me. Bastards. Health. Health. Alright, there we go. Haha. And I got a rocket too, I do believe, just now. Alright, there we go. Okay, get out of there. Oh, yeah. Where's that at? I hear him. I hear him walking around in there. Yeah! Alrighty then. I got the yellow key. Let's go up here and die. Woo! That's what you get. That's what you get. It's alright. It's alright. It just had to happen. I love jump. Jump really does pay off sometimes if you use it. We're gonna go to my ornaments! Hello! Woo! Where are you? See what I see? Ow! Ow! Prick! Ah, I need more health. Okay, get out of there. Okay, la 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 la. Ooh, health right there. Okay, health right there, and... What is that? What's that little brick? Oh, who cares? Let's go over there and get the armor real quick. Get a little bit more armor. Alright. If you're happy and you know it, pump your shotgun. If you're happy and you know it, pump your shotgun. If you're happy and you know it, yeah, okay, that's stupid. I'm hearing monsters over here. There's monsters. Okay, down there. I can't run up all the way there. I think there's supposed to be a hazard suit over here somewhere, actually. Isn't there? Somewhere? Right here? There's that map that I found. Okay. Two more of this armor. Shotgun shells that I can't use. What is that? Is that? That is not a secret. Okay, making sure. Okay, getting over here. It's starting to get boring. Sorry for that, you guys, but sometimes this happens in this game, you know? You run into sort of a dead-end kind of thing. Get off of that. That was it? That was it? You call that a secret? That's bloody stupid. That's a bloody stupid secret right there. Yeah, follow me, sir. Come on, come over this way. Yeah, right, follow me over here. Right out. And now, what I want you to do is I want you to run back and forth like a moron and not do nothing, okay? Can you do that for me? Thank you. I did not say to scare the shit out of me, okay? I didn't say that. Bastard, you know, that's the only thing these things are good for, is just scaring the shit out of you. And I keep on going around in circles. Oh god, I'm stuck. Okay. I may have to fast forward this. I just might have to fast forward this. Okay, you know what? I need to look at my map. That's what I need to do. Ha! The map. Who would have thought that would have ever worked out? Go through here. Go through here. Finally! Alrighty then, we finally found something. Okay, good. Okay, I guess I don't have to fast forward anymore. I am low in health, and I hate when I get low in health. I really hate that. All these stupid useless doors. What's down here? What's down here? I shoot my own ornament. I don't care. I don't care. Good thing for my lightning cat reflexes. Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! Oh my god! Am I going to die? Where the hell is shooting me? Oh, it's those pricks down there. Ah, shit. Well, that's gonna happen eventually. You're gonna die, especially when there's like 15 million shotgun guys right there. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and try that again, only I'm not going to do that until, I'm going to have to just go ahead and cut this off, and the next episode we'll try the level again. Alright, thank you very much for watching.